Okay, now we are gonna do a geometric series. So I already have an example here, so I'm just gonna write a formula on my right side. This is a geometric series. So it also has a formula which they are going to give it to you in your formula sheet in an exam. So it is not necessary for you to cram the whole thing. So the formula is the sum of n terms equals to a 1 minus r to the power n. Mind you that r is still our common ratio, and then divided by 1 minus r. And this is for r when the ratio is less than 1. And then we have another formula here. It's Sn is equals to a into Rn minus 1 over r minus 1, and this is for r is greater than 1. So these two formulas, we are gonna work with them. The reason we have two formulas here is because we don't want a negative in the denominator. We don't want a negative. So if here r is greater than 1, if you were to plug it here, you are gonna get a negative number, which is what we do not want. So let's do an example. Let me clear this. It says you are given the geometric series, and the series is minus 2 plus 6 minus 16 plus 54, and it continues. I think here I missed a plus or minus sign. We continue. So they're saying find the sum to the first 9 terms. So first of all, we are going to find the ratio. The ratio is 3 over T2, which is equals to T2 over T1. So this is equals to minus 18. I think I made an error here. This is minus 18. Minus 18 over 6 is equal to, sorry for that, over 6 is equals to 6 over minus 2. As you can see, this is equals to minus 3, and in this case r is less than 1. Therefore, the formula that we're going to use is the sum to the first 9 terms is equals to a into 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. Sorry for the typo. There's a problem here. N over 1 minus r. This is equal to a is the first term. In our case, that is minus 2, and 1 minus, what is our r? This is minus 3. Let's put it in bracket because we have a power, and then to the power n, which is 9, all over 1 minus 3. So if you do this on a calculator, you'll find that the sum of these numbers is minus 9,400 and no, that's not the correct one. I'm so sorry. Minus 9,842. This is the correct answer. This is the sum to your first 9 terms.